Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we set up Wazuh Cloud and connected an Ubuntu endpoint. If you haven't already, please make sure to watch it. The link is in the description below. Today we are going to see how endpoint security works. We are going to set up file integrity monitoring on that Ubuntu machine to see how Wazuh detects any changes or not. Let's get started. Okay, now we can go ahead and do some endpoint security. What we are going to do here is file integrity monitoring. So we are going to make some changes in the configuration of Wazuh agent so that it will start monitoring the specific folder we are giving in, and then it will show us if there is anything changed, and it will be showing us in the events in this tab here. So we are going to do that on the Ubuntu server. I'm going to log into the command line of the Ubuntu machine, and then we need to go to the folder var. So before you are changing the directory, you will need to go to the sudo or root mode. Then I need to go to the directory, and then we have the configuration folder inside the etc. So this is the configuration folder that we need to update. So I'm going to open that. Under the syscheck, we need to add the following lines. I'm going to add these 3 lines here. So this is the directory that we are going to monitor. /home username /test. So this is the folder that we will be monitoring. So these are the lines. So here the frequency is check every hour. So we are going to change that to check every second. Sorry, it's every minute. Scan on start is yes. Frequency is 60 seconds, and this is a directory. And then I'm going to that directory. Here we will need to create the folder which we have specified in the configuration file. Okay, so I have created that directory here, /home, my username /test, and then we are going to restart the Wazuh agent. systemctl restart Wazuh agent. Now we can check the status of the Wazuh agent. Okay, the status is running. Okay, once that is done, we will need to create something inside this folder, and then we need to make some modifications here so that then only we can see what's going to happen in the Wazuh agent. So we need to create some files, maybe test file. I'm going to create a couple of files here, test2, test1. I'm going into one of these files and going to make some changes. Hello. Then I'm going to save this, and I'm going to remove one of these files. Now we have 2 more files. I'm going to create another file here, test another file. Now I am going to add something in another file, content something, and then I'm going to save this. Now we can see everything that we have done in the file integrity monitoring in the Wazuh agent. What we need to do is we need to go to our agent, and then we need to go to file integrity monitoring, and then we need to refresh this. I have done few things earlier, so the latest things which we have done will be appearing here soon. So we have given the time in the configuration for like 60 seconds. So it might take 60 seconds to do another scan, and then it will be added here. Okay, so if I go to events now, you can see all the activities which we have done on the test folder has been logged in here. If I go to the expand button, I can see more details about what happened inside the folder. Okay, now if we come to the dashboard, we can actually see the visualizations of what we have done here. So we have the most active usage, so we use the root user, and then we have the actions, we have the events added here. We can even change the date back to like we can go for like last 30 minutes. So this is a cute triangle which shows what has been done, and we have the files added, files modified, files deleted. So we have the dashboard graphical representation of what we have done so far in here. And if I expand one of these, this chart actually shows what we have done in different colors. And then there is also a generate report option. If you click on this, it will actually generate a PDF report and place it in the dashboard management reporting tab. So we can go to dashboard management reporting tab and we can select that. So as you can see, we have our report here. This is the latest report which we have generated just now. So if I click on download the report, I need to save it, then I can open that report here. So we have everything from the file integrity monitoring report in here in this PDF. And that's how we set up file integrity monitoring in Wazuh. In the upcoming video, I will be diving deeper into how Wazuh can help organizations with compliance. So make sure to watch out for that. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.